Welcome back to Product Critique, where we dissect the latest and greatest in tech and gadgets. Today, we're diving deep into the world of car audio with a product that's making waves in the industry. Get ready to elevate your driving experience with the NVX NSP65KIT 6.5 car speakers. These bad boys aren't just your average car speakers. Oh no, they're the best 6.5 component speakers for bass that you can get your hands on right now. Let me tell you why. First off, let's talk power. With a peak of 600 watts per set and an RMS of 200 watts per set, these speakers pack a serious punch. Say goodbye to weak, tinny sound and hello to dynamic, impactful bass that will have you feeling every beat. Installation? A breeze. These speakers are designed for hassle-free setup in cars, trucks, or doors. With a top mount depth of just 2.28 inches and cutout dimensions of 5.60 inches, they'll fit seamlessly into your vehicle without any fuss. But it's not just about power and convenience. These speakers are built to last, crafted with polypropylene cone material and nitrile butadiene rubber speaker surrounds. That means they can handle whatever you throw at them, ensuring long-lasting durability and reliability. And let's talk about sound quality. With a wide frequency response ranging from 68 to 20,000 Hz and a sensitivity of 88 decibels, these speakers deliver balanced and accurate sound reproduction across the entire audio spectrum. Whether you're blasting your favorite tunes or enjoying a podcast on a road trip, the NVX NSP65KIT will deliver crystal clear audio every time. But don't just take my word for it. Customers are raving about these speakers, praising their performance, value, and ease of installation. From upgrading factory speakers to enhancing aftermarket systems, the NVX NSP65KIT is a game-changer for car audio enthusiasts everywhere. So there you have it, folks. If you're in the market for the best 6.5 component speakers for bass, look no further than the NVX NSP65KIT. Elevate your driving experience and transform your car audio with these powerhouse speakers. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique, and until next time, happy driving!